Hello my dear children, today we are going to see about the new concept user defined functions. These functions are created by users. We can also create the new functions and perform some particular task. Okay. The syntax for declaring a function is return data type and then function name and then give the parameter list. Parameter list is given within parentheses and then using the curly braces and then give the body of the function, that is executable statements, and closing the curly braces. This is a syntax for defining the function in a program. Okay, here where return data type is a valid data type. Return data type is a valid data type. Any valid data type such as integer, char, double, long, whatever may be, any C++ valid data types are given in this return data type. Okay, and then function name. This is declared by user, so it is also one of the variable. This is called as function name. User defined identifier. Identifier is otherwise called as variable. Okay, and then give the parameter list. Parameter list is optional. If you need the parameter list, we give the parameter list, otherwise no need to give the parameter list. Okay, this is an example for function definition. This is the return data type. Long, fact, within parentheses 2 arguments are passed, that is integer and double, and then give the body of the statement, that is executable statements, where here long is the return data type and fact is the function name. Int and double is the list of arguments in the function. Here this list of arguments may be either single argument or more than one arguments are also given in this function. Okay, here 2 arguments are passed. One is integer value, another one is double. These are all called as function prototype. The next concept is void command, which is mainly used to indicate the function doesn't return a value and to declare a generic pointer. For example, void function name and then return value is void. This function prototype tells the compiler the function fun, this is the function name, which neither receives the value from calling program nor return a value to the calling program. Okay, neither receive a value from the calling program nor return a value to the calling program. This is the example for void command. Okay, next concept is different types of function declaration. These are all called as function declaration. Function can be written in different types. For example, without return value and without any arguments. Next type is without return value and with arguments. Next one is with a return value and without argument, and with a return value and with argument. Okay, these are all the different types of function declaration. Okay, the example for this kind of function declaration is, here we see display of, here no arguments are passed. And also no return type is also not given here. So this is the example for without return value and without any arguments. And then this is the example for without a return value and with arguments. Here 2 arguments are passed, one is x, another one is y, but no return value is given. So this is the example for without a return value and with argument. Okay, this is an example for with a return value and without argument. Here no arguments are passed, so this is the example for without arguments, but return value is given, x is the return value. Okay, and then this is an example for with a return value and with arguments. X equal to display of x comma y. Here arguments, 2 arguments are passed, one is x, another one is y, return value is x. Okay.